So apparently there's a new challenge going around. I haven't really seen many people doing it, but I did see Wild Man do it. It's a 10 can challenge. Timed. How fast can you take down 10 pop cans? Distance 75 feet, I believe. At least that's what he did. Who is that? Oh, freaking wonderful. Look who it is. Yeah, I'm back. You're just gonna cheat anyway. I mean, I don't know why you're even attempting this challenge. You're just gonna cheat and do something easy that anybody can do and make yourself look really good. What the heck is that supposed to be? A freaking Amish pirate or something? It's ridiculous. What? No, I'm not an Amish pirate. But letting it grow out. And I like the hat. Stupid air gunner. Listen, I'm trying to do a video here. If you don't got nothing to say, nice. I think you should get out of here before I bust you in the lip. Yeah, that's what I thought. Walk away. Alright, so like I was saying, we have a 10 can air gun challenge. Shoot 10 cans as fast as you can. Let me show you how we're set up. There they are. 10 cans, already drank. I put some water in them to weigh them down. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boop, boop. 75 feet. So, I think the other rule is you have to shoot offhand. So, we will do that. Oh, this is my Benjamin Marauder 22. Maybe it's semi-automatic. Nobody said I couldn't use semi-automatic, right? All right, 10 shots. Start the timer now. Well, that was freaking easy. Okay, so I cheated. I'll set it up and we'll do it again. What? It's a BB gun. It's going to be even harder for me to use this. Yeah, it's automatic. Whatever. Told you were a cheater. You tried cheating with a fully automatic BB gun and you still missed them all. How about you give you guys the challenge that they're looking for and actually use a gun that's not semi-automatic or fully automatic? Do you have to manually put in with a bolt or a side lever? Why don't you try doing something like that? Stupid super cracker. Get out of here. We had enough of your mouth for today. Stupid Amish freaking pirate. Dah, I'm out of here. Alright, you guys want this challenge to be real. We'll use a non-semi-automatic, non-fully automatic. Now, would it count if I line all the 10 cans up into single formation? Just kidding. I'll give it a real go. We'll line them up. I'll go grab my hot sun flash. We'll get back 75 feet again and time it and see. I don't even know where the record stands. The only video I seen was Wild Man do it, and he did it in like 47 seconds. Missed a shot, but he had collateral damage on a can, so he got a twofer. We'll set it up and try it. All right, we're set back up. I got the non-semi-automatic, non-fully automatic, 22 hot sun flash. Now, I will say this up front. If you see a break in the footage, something's wrong with the magazine. I only get about 5 shots usually, and then it stops and it won't rotate. The spring's messed up or something, so I may have to shoot 5, pause, shoot 5. If it keeps going, we'll keep shooting. We'll see what happens. There may be some misses. Let's just give her a go. All right, start timer. I think it jammed. Nope. I didn't do very well at all. I think I hit most of them, but I should have put full cans with water back in so we could actually see rather than just passing through. But I think I extremely sucked. That rifle's pretty heavy with everything I got on it. Here I go making excuses again. Whatever. I suck at that challenge. I'll leave it to the big dogs. I surrender. I hit a few. Then I thought my gun jammed, and then I just got cluster after that. Happens. Can't win them all. We can try, but we can't win them all. But the big question is, are you guys subscribed? We're closing in on 10,000 subscribers, depending on when I decide to post this video. I've been archiving them. So we're like, at this point, filming this today, we're 130 some subscribers away from 10K. That's really awesome. I thank everybody that's subscribed. I like the comments coming in. Haven't really got any suggestions on future videos. Maybe that'll happen at 20,000. Right now, I'm not getting a whole lot of response from the audience. But thanks for joining me today, and as always, stay safe, and we'll see you guys next time.